Hello and welcome to Elite Geospatial. Today we are going to learn how to create Hilshade from ArcGIS Pro. So to do that, all we need to do is to go to Analysis and then we'll go to Tool, which we are conversant with that. And we're just going to, thank God there is a favorite and suggestion here. So we're just going to go to Hilshade. So once on Hilshade, we just bring in our input. If this file isn't here, we can click on folder and browse to the folder where it is and bring it in. So we're going to leave it at this, the way the name is now. We're going to leave it, or we can just bring it to just Hill and then we'll leave it as shade. Just leave it as Hilshade, okay? So we leave everything the way it are, and then this one is also optional, but we can add this shadow. Then they're asking for Z factor, let's say 3, for example. I'm just saying, I'm not having any. So just click on run and see what we'll have as Hilshade. So this is our Hilshade, and the reason why we're having it this way is because of the Z value, Z factor we put as 3. If you look at what the Z factor is, the number of ground XY units in one surface Z unit. The Z factor adjusts the unit of the measure for the Z unit when they are different from the XY unit of the input surface, the Z value of the input. So if you look at now, you see that it has a surface, it produces a gigantic surface and all of that. So this is how to create a Hilshade on ArcGIS Pro. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.